Hello, good evening, ma'am and friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dea. I am from class 8A. I will tell you my happy experience. The topic is Region Cup 3 Sorinji Kempo Championship. Last year, the Region Cup 3 Sorinji Kempo Open Championship event was held in the city of Kupang. I and my dojo friends were interested in taking part in it. And the day the match started, I immediately got ready. And the time came when it was my turn. I strengthened my determination and remained pride to God. And it's true that with the support of my parents and thanks to God, I wanted to win to second place. I felt very proud and very happy at the time. That's all. Thank you. Bye.
From bicycle. I had an embarrassing experience. On Saturday, my bicycle fell first and last. Many people saw the incident. I was very embarrassed.
Very much to student 24 on Sunday at 27:11. I was studying my piece and in sped and when I couldn't on the brakes. I couldn't on the winds walk and I hit the fence. When I walked it felt very embarrassing. Big money place at me.
Day at December 2023 be my 40th birthday. All my family, friends and relatives came to celebrate my birthday. I felt happy.
Good afternoon, ma'am and friends. My name is Wemis Laloe from class 8A. I will narrate my experience. Got in the truck because I was cutting in vegetables and the cut my hand and my mother treated me quite a pleasant. That's all the story, my experience. Thank you. Bye bye.
Good afternoon, teacher and friends. My name is Tiara from class 8A. I will narrate my experience fell from motorbike.
Years ago, I was in grade 7, 2022. I and Tari went to school. When I arrived at school, I rode my motorbike in front of the school. It was very amazing.
Afternoon, teacher and friends. My name is Renata Takal from class 8A. I will narrate my experience swimming in Oenaik Pool. Several years ago, precisely when I was 6 years old, my family and I went on excursion to one of the pools in Camplong called Oenaik Pool. During the trip, felt very happy. On the way to the pool, we stopped at relative house to eat together. After that, we continue our journey and arrived there one time. Then we took a show and played in the water together. After playing for several hours there, we were ready to go home. Thank you. Bye bye.
Afternoon, my main friends. I had a pleasant experience. Namely, when I was able to complete in the daily assessment mathematics at school. Maybe my score 78 was it not the thing, but it made me very happy. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Haik. Good day with my friend. I had a happy experience. I grilled chicken with Udo and Rival last week. And at that time I felt happy. Thank you friends.
On Saturday, the 6th of March, I went with my class in block party in the Free Fire tournament at home again class 9A. And my team managed to win the tournament. And I was very happy because my team won.
Hello, my name is Naima Tiran. I'm class 8. I will tell you my experiments, my friends and I once made place to eat together. And on February 2nd, 2020, we ate together. Thank you.
I got so motherfucking design on right now.
Good afternoon, ma'am and friends. My name is Marni Miru. I story said, one day I was washing clothes. I had a bad feeling suddenly. I went to the room and mom was dying. My mother died on September 25, 2023. I felt sad and could not do anything. Thank you, ma'am and friends.
Hello, ma'am and friends. My name is Ricardus Alexandro Nahak. I am from class 8B. Today I will retell my story about moved away from my hometown. In 2022, I will start moving to the city of Kupang, NTT. Honestly, I feel a little sad, but that's okay. I went to Juanda Airport, Surabaya at dawn, then arrived at Kupang at noon. After landing, me and my family went to grandmother's house and stayed there until my parents had our own house. Life always ups and downs, but I should happy.
Hello, my name is Vanessa Mutiara Adinanale. I am from grade 8B and I want to retell my story of Has Two Good Friends. I am Vanessa. I have a very funny experience because I have good and funny friends like Putri and Tari. They are but my friends who are sometimes very annoying. Usually they are happy. They will jump around like cute bunnies and they are but very beautiful. I am happy to know and be friends with both of them.
Hello, my name is Merlian Tisna. I'm from grade 8B. I went to retell my story of holiday in my grandmother's house. During the Christmas and New Year holiday, I went to my grandmother's house. After hearing the school holiday announcement 2 days later, my older brother and I finally went to my grandmother's house. I was very happy because I could have holiday my grandmother's house. Arrived after a long journey, my older brother and I finally arrived at my grandmother's house. When I was at home, my grandmother was very happy because I had new experience and my older brother also invited me to visit several tourist attractions around there.
Hello, ma'am and friends. My name is Thessalonica Fangi, and I want to retell my story of new school. At the time, I was told by my parents that when I was in grade 2, I would change school. I felt mixed when I listened to what my parents said because I had to leave my friends at my school. In July, I entered my new school, namely SMPK Santo Yosef Norbaki. At first, I looked shy and awkward in front of my new friends. The first thing that surprised me was that at my new school, the rules were very strict, very different from before. And maybe this rule is what makes me get out of my comfort zone of being lazy and so on. But I began to realize as time went on that this school was that made me better than before.
Hello, my name is Jericho Fredom Persolesi, and I want to retell my story of my holiday at the zoo. 5 years ago, when I was in Jakarta, I wanted to go to the zoo. There were a lot of animals. There were monkeys, orangutans, apes, elephants, giraffes, parrots, rhinos, and seals. I was on holiday at the zoo with my family. I really enjoy vacationing at the zoo because I can play with the animals there as well as with my family and eat together. I went in the afternoon and first I went to see the monkeys and orangutans because I like monkeys and they are very cute. After that, my family and I ate together there and also we feed something that's appeals there. We also can't throw rubies anywhere. After we had fun at the zoo, we decided to go home. For me, that was a beautiful day. I was happy and I hope I could visit the zoo again.
Hello, my name is Rizky Awel. I am grade 8B. Yesterday, I and my friend named Junior played the game Free Fire. June and I fight in the game, then I and Junior also play it, and there was a free battle between my and June. June was hiding behind there, then I kissed him and I beat him.
My name is Trecia Jultasasi and I want to retell my story of horror story. Horror story. This story happened 1 month ago. At the time I was drying clothes. After drying it, I saw a woman who looked at me with a smile, but I didn't see his face. After a blinking my eyes, the woman was no longer there. This is my horror experience.
Hello, ma'am and friends. My name is Junior Clau. I am grade 8B. I will tell you my experience playing the game. Yesterday, I played with Rizky. We played the game Free Fire. Rizky invited me to go by one. Then I met Rizky. Thank you.
Hello, my friends. My name is Marta Janda Pires. I am from grade 8B. Today, I will tell you about an experience I once had. Surprise on my birthday. July 5, 2023 is my 13th birthday. That night, I was sitting in the living room, playing with my cell phone. Suddenly, I heard a knock on the door of my house. Then I rushed to the door and opened. After I opened the door, I was very surprised because it turned out that what was in front of my house was my older sister and brother. I mean, they were holding a birthday cake that had my name written on it. There, I was very happy and touched because it was the first time I got a surprise on my birthday. This is the most memorable experience I have ever had.
Birthday party. At the time at home on my birthday, I was very happy because I was given a very good and beautiful birthday gift from my two parents. Namely, being given a very nice and beautiful new dress, and this made me very happy and also very happy.
My name is Keisha Juniarti Broto, class 8A. On Wednesday, 14 Februari 2024, I got a Valentine gift from my mother in the form of chocolate, and I was very happy.
Good afternoon, teacher and my friends. My name is Jesslyn from class 8A. I will narrate my experience. On March 14 to 16, my friend and I attended literacy training at our school together with Yayasan Rumah Literasi Cakrawala, East Nusa Tenggara. This activity was very fun. 3 days we came early to learn new things. I learned about wood diary, poetry, and report art. Apart from that, we also meet great people like Mr. Salfus, Mr. Eliezer Teuf, Mr. Mario, Mr. Gusti, and others. I enjoyed participation in this activity because I gained new knowledge and insight, and I also go to now greet new people. That's all the story, my experience. Good afternoon. Bye-bye.
In the afternoon, I invite my younger brother to ride a motorbike in the field. When I get to the field, I rode it really well. However, I took my little brother on a motorbike around the field. I rode it very fast, so many little brother and I feel it were laughed at by people.